Nothing's comeback is anything but subtle. The Phone 3, launching July 1st, is already turning heads thanks to a set of bold design leaks shared by Android headlines. The transparent back remains, of course. It's Nothing's trademark, but this time it abandons the tidy, symmetrical hardware layout for something messier, edgier, and far more intentional. It's like a tech autopsy in motion. Internals revealed not for aesthetics alone, but to reflect raw identity. Minimalism takes a back seat. This phone looks like it was caught mid-repair, and it owns it. That's the point. The camera setup is grabbing equal attention. Nothing teased a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, which would be a first for the series. While optical zoom specifics remain under wraps, they've shown off macro and zoom samples that look like they came from a DSLR. This upgrade is major, especially considering Phone 2 skipped telephoto entirely. Whether the periscope joins a triple lens array or replaces the ultra-wide isn't clear yet, but the direction is obvious. Push creative photography forward. Nothing co-founder Akis Evangelidis added more fuel by announcing that the new camera bump is 74% smaller than the one on the 3A Pro. He also highlighted support for 10-centimeter macro shots, even dubbing community-taken photos as real-life Pokemons because of their detail and clarity. Then there's the glyph interface. Gone are the wide LED strips. Welcome the glyph matrix. This new configuration moves the lights closer to the camera module in a more refined and compact pattern. It's no longer about flashy distractions. The glyph now serves a sharper function to signal smarter, AI-based alerts and notifications in a cleaner, more useful way. While Nothing hasn't spilled all the features yet, the visual clues suggest a mature evolution of its once gimmicky light show. Specs-wise, the hardware keeps pace. A 6.7-inch OLED with full HD plus resolution and a tall 20:9 ratio dominates the front. The battery inside clocks in at 5,150 milliamperes, paired with 100-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. All signs point to endurance and speed being key priorities. But under the hood lies the real conversation starter, the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. While many hoped for the 8 Gen 3 Elite, Nothing stuck with a more balanced approach. Carl Pei defended the decision, citing impressive numbers: a 49% GPU boost, 36% CPU gain, and 60% better machine learning performance compared to older chips. The 8's Gen 3 might not be top tier, but it's far from a compromise. It's a calculated choice for real-world efficiency and affordability. In every way, the Nothing Phone 3 distances itself from safe bets, gritty aesthetics, meaningful hardware upgrades, and a sharper focus on user experience over specs for the sake of specs. As for pricing, it's expected to land around 40,000 to 45,000 rupees in India and approximately $500 to $550 globally.